Okay. So hindi po magandang balita. Talo po si Joshua Pasio kay Wakamatsu. And unfortunately, second round TKO po. Natamaan po siya dito ng right hook. Pagkatapos ng tamaan ng right hook, it was raining ano po, knees sa ulo ni Joshua Pasio at hindi na po na-depensahan yung sarili niya. Pag-usapan natin kung anong nangyari. Pero bago yan, shoutout muna tayo sa Arena Plus, Astig Sport. If you want to know more about Arena Plus, please send me a message or you can scan the QR code. So, ito po yung nangyari, no? Hindi maganda, no? At natalo po tayo. This was supposed to be the attempt of our Filipino champion to become a two-division world champion. Unfortunately, that did not happen. At ito po, no? Si Joshua Pasio, ang kanyang huling laban kay Jared Brooks, panalo siya dyan. And ito po, FYI muna, no? He was a strawweight champion, 125. So he tried to go up to 135 to become a champion. And yun nga lang, malakas tong si Yuya Wakamatsu. Yuya Wakamatsu, ang nangyari po sa laban, in the very first round, surprisingly, ito pong si Joshua Pasio, nag-clinch agad. So I think the strategy is parang expected natin mag-strike muna siya, no? Pero nag-clinch po siya kagad. At he tried to attempt yung control, no, sa clinch. Unfortunately, magaling yung Yuya. At about 2 minutes nakakuha ng position si Wakamatsu sa likod ni Joshua Pasio. And from that point, na-control na po kagad ni Wakamatsu yung laban. So he was in control and he was raining punches. Yung left hand punches niya dito sa mukha po ni Joshua Pasio. And then by 30 seconds, I marked it, nakatayo si Joshua Pasio. He was defending himself well. Unfortunately, even though he's defending himself, he was the one receiving the punches. At that was the story of the first round. Sa second round, medyo it went on to be the same thing. At yun, na-control na talaga ni Wakamatsu yung laban sa ground. And nung nakuha niya, actually, nung natamaan niya sa isang right hook, napabaksak niya and na-control niya kagad si Joshua Pasio. And si Joshua Pasio was in a bad position agad. So, yung bad position na yon, kala ko nga magigilot yung choke eh. Nahawakan kagad yung body control, reverse eh. Hindi ko alam how to explain that, but this is exactly what happened. And hindi na po na-depensahan ni Joshua Pasio itong knees. At the referee was trying to ask him to defend himself, but he couldn't defend himself. And the referee has been forced to stop the fight in the second round, declaring the winner Yu Wakamatsu as the champion. So very unfortunate po sa Pilipino at hindi niya po Yuya Wakamatsu, I'm sorry, hindi niya po nakuha yung panalo. So that is what happened. And better luck next time na lang. Siguro, one other thing that I could say, sa boxing kasi, yung division, yung pag-akyat, mga 4 pounds lang, 6 pounds lang. Dito, 10 pounds talaga yung inakyat na diferensya. So, that, I don't know, maybe that would be a difference kasi medyo parang binubuhat-buhat lang din siya ni Yuya Wakamatsu eh. So, let me know guys what you think of the fight and better luck next time na lang po kay Joshua Pasio.